For this task, let's connect to storage server and then jump to this directory. And if you run the command git log -oneline, you can see these many commits. If you do ls-l, you can see cluster.txt and info.txt. You can see a couple of files for now. So what we are trying to do in this task actually, so our development team was working on this repository, and then this was just a test repository, and one of the developers just pushed a couple of changes for testing. So he didn't know that he was just testing it and he pushed it. But now we want to revert this to till this commit. So we just want to have only these two commits. So after these two commits, we want to delete everything. So how you gonna do? You can run the command git reset -hard and then give this commit ID. Just make sure, just be careful while working in your company. So just be careful to run these commands because it's gonna delete everything after that. So now if you do git status, nothing is in the tree. So if you do git -oneline, you can see only these two commits. If you do ls-l, so earlier there were couple of files, but here now we got only one file because other commits were deleted. Maybe that file has been created after these commits. So once you do this, just make sure to use this command wisely. Basically you don't need this while working in organization, but if it needs, just make sure. And what you need to do now, you need to push them git push origin master. If you run this, you're gonna get error because our master branch has other commits, but we deleted them. So it's rejecting it because we don't have those changes in locally. So either we can pull them, but we know that we are doing this task, so we can use -f. So this is a very dangerous command because in master branch or any other branch, other developers might be working with you, so that's going to delete others work. So just be careful. This is a very dangerous command. If you are sure, if you're only the only person working on that specific branch, then only you can do it, but don't do this. So if you check the task results now, it's successful. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.